Hi, welcome to Patch Lab. In this episode, I'm going to present my first patch using the ADE-32 octocontroller from Abstract Data, which I was counting the days to get. This is a module that provides simultaneous, synchronized control voltages, gates, and triggers for modular systems on 8 outputs. So let's see what I've done with it. The rhythmic mastermind in this patch is the ADE-32 octocontroller. Its first channel is set to type pulse, and it's triggering the kick drum in the peaks module from multiple instruments. There's no big trick in it yet. The hi-hat's rhythm is generated almost as simple as the kicks. It just has an offset that puts the hi-hats between the kicks to get the offbeat. There's also a clap in this patch, which is coming from the CP909 module over here. It is being triggered by a sample and hold gate type of output from the octocontroller, which means it triggers occasionally, but always on the rhythm, since the sample and hold is fed by the clock from the octocontroller and its trigger input. The vocal sample in this patch is coming from the grandpa, which is being triggered by this output over here, which is a loop type. Loop type outputs have pre-programmed rhythms in them, which provide triggers, basically rhythmic patterns. All the loops can be clock divided or offsetted as any other functions in the octocontroller. The filter on the vocal sample is being modulated by output 3, which is a ramp LFO type. The microscale 2 makes a really good companion for the octocontroller. It receives a random control voltage from the octocontroller's last output and passes it on to the IntelliGel shapeshifter, which makes a funky melodic structure. This was my first patch with the octocontroller. There's certainly more to come. Now it's your turn, keep on patching.